Hi all, this is Mahesh Lakde, and my today's topic's name is Ansible Simple Project Day Zero. Ansible in a 5 minute. So for this, what is Ansible? Ansible is a configuration management tool, and we are going to demo it. So for the same prerequisite is a AWS account and Git Bash installed on for Windows. For Linux, it is not required. Then we are as mentioned, we required Linux machine, so we are going to launch it. It will take few seconds. We click on launch, so it will take few seconds for launching. We will get the public IP. We need to update the public IP here. I will provide this detail in the description of video. Okay, we need to read this command, and git bash is opened. We need to paste there. So whenever machine is launched, we are able to log in there. Yes, the machine is ready. Now, next commands we can execute one time. In meantime, we will ready with these commands. So here we are updating the packages. Then next step, adding the Amazon Linux extras there. Then yum install Ansible, and we are going to create a hello world folder, going inside that folder, then creating files, playbook, and inventory. We are waiting for the installation of Ansible. As I mentioned, we creating folder here, then we are moving inside that hello world folder, then creating playbook file, inventory file basically for storing the IP of a machine where we need to install or configure the packages. Okay, so finally Ansible will be installed here. It's showing it's yum lock, because already few one of process or few processes may be already running. That's why this coming hold. So whenever it will complete, it will move forward. That completed. Now we are proceeding next step. We created folder, move inside. Next step. Now we are going to create inventory file there. So for creating this, we are copying directly the content of it. So we need to press I. For Linux hand user, they can easily do it. Then after pasting it, we can space escape :WQ and exclamatory sign. It will save. The next step, we are going to create a playbook file. For playbook, we just copying the content. All this content you can find in a description of video for other previous videos as well. Okay, now we need to save here. So I will explain these two files quickly. So in inventory file, this is target. Okay, target where we need to install this package Ansible. Ansible package means this software, whatever we mention in this YAML playbook, so it will configure and install there. Then here is a we are passing variable for this target group, and Ansible SSH command arguments. We are passing this because it should not ask for like a host key checking. Okay. Now we created all this. Now we are going to create a one more file. Now we need to create a key there. So in my case, I already copied the key from this my Jenkins 1.pem key. Now we are going to use this key. We created this key file. This keys means whichever key used for this EC2 login, that key we creating here vim, and we copied the content of that Jenkins file. Now we are going to change the permission of it, chmod, because if we directly use it, it will say the key is too much open. That's why we are going. Now final step is execution. Ansible playbook -i for inventory, playbook file name, it will be .yaml file. The username for EC2, then key file. Key file means which we created key.pem, which is a EC2 key. Now we are finally going to execute it. So now it will for in first step it will like like analyze it, and then show the information what for task like for task gathering fact, what will be possible things there, and then next step will be output hello world. Okay, thanks for the day, and please subscribe my channel if you not subscribed. Thank you, thanks for your time.